Hello everyone, this is Ashita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you guys a review on clothes which I bought from Myntra, New Me, Beagle. This is specifically from Insta page and the other one starts with P. I just forgot. I'll put it in the description. Please go through those links. So let's get started. So this is the dress, the first dress which I bought it from New Me, and it's been 2 months. I still haven't worn. That's why I'm making these videos. I have hell lot of clothes which I just bought and I haven't worn it anywhere. I didn't even remove the tags. They're like kept as it is in my wardrobe. So I just felt like I'm not going anywhere. At least let's just make a video on this. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I love this. This is not from online, this specifically. This was from in-store New Me in Bangalore. So somehow I love this, and I'm planning to wear it in some beach side, but I don't know. This year I'm going to visit any beaches. That's not in my bucket list for this year. Maybe in the next year I might. So yeah, I really love this quality, and this was like very unique piece which I saw it, and I just loved it, and it's so nice. The fitting is nice, everything is nice, and I bought it in the size yes, so it fits me very well. So this is the sportswear which I bought it from Myntra. So this is a HRX brand, and there was an offer right now. It's going on. I think it's still going on. I'm not sure. So I just bought it in two colors. One is black and one is this dark navy blue. I think black is on its way. I really love this. You know, it's so it has like rapid dry technology, and you can do it for like running, any sports activity. You can wear it. It's way too comfortable. I loved it. So we'll go for next. Hello guys, so this is from Beagle. I really love this swimwear suit. Either you can wear it on swimwear as well, also you can wear it on like summer trekking if you're doing summer trekking. So this is so suitable, and it is so comfortable and body hugging and so breathable as well, and the quality is so good. So this is the last dress which I bought from again Insta page, Peril website. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct or not. Peril. I'll put it in the description, all the links for these clothes. And this has such a beautiful mirror work. Hands also have got like beautiful mirror work, and even the veil, and over here as well. I really loved it. I mean, I really love this. This is so beautiful, and you can wear it to any office function as well. Otherwise, you can wear it to any wedding. So this is such a simply like simple yet elegant and beautiful. I will love this. Love this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.